कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद हम एग्जॉस्टेड फील करते हैं और ये काफी नॉर्मल है. But there's also something called mental exhaustion. Yes, your brain can get fatigued too after long periods of mental activity without rest. Headlight says, to put it simply, mental exhaustion can happen when your brain receives too much stimulation or has to maintain an intense level of activity without rest. You could be mentally exhausted if you often work or study for long hours without few or no breaks, are overwhelmed with responsibilities for a better part of the day, or live dealing with mental health symptoms of any kind, devote a lot of mental energy each day to thinking through problems, worries, or other sources of stress. What are some of the mental and emotional signs of the fact that you're mentally exhausted? One major sign of mental exhaustion is you are less alert than usual and find it challenging to focus even when it comes to everyday or routine tasks. Other common signs include feelings of depression, including a persistent sad, low, or hopeless mood, lingering feelings of anxiety, difficulty caring about anything, a sense of detachment, cynicism, or pessimism, anger or irritability, difficulty processing and managing emotions, a sense of dread, motivation or productivity में decline, lethargic feel करना या slow movements or responses, difficulty concentrating, remembering information, putting thoughts together, or completing work correctly. So what is the difference between mental fatigue and burnout? It can be hard to differentiate between fatigue and burnout, but a good indicator is how quickly it takes to recover. A good night's rest, a nutritious meal, and hot shower can all help relieve tiredness. एक 2 week का holiday या leave of absence from work that focuses on unplugging, de-stressing, and recharging can alleviate exhaustion. Mental fatigue requires a more consistent effort to address the underlying lifestyle factors or causes and well-being factors may take several months to overcome. Burnout को address करना थोड़ा और difficult होता है. It depends on the intensity and length of the burnout as well as the quality of the recovery and the overall situation of the person experiencing it. Treating and coping with mental exhaustion. Once you recognize the signs of mental fatigue, you might wonder, what next? There are a number of things you can do to tackle this. Make some lifestyle changes. It can help you address it at the source. Coping strategies can help you take steps to feel more rested and renewed when facing challenges that cause significant life stress. Mental health experts advise that you remove the stressor. You may not always find it possible to eliminate the triggers of stress and fatigue, but it typically does offer one of the best ways to relieve stress in your life. अगर ऑफिस की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से आप ओवरवेल्म हो तो कंसिडर आस्किंग योर सुपरवाइजर और कोवर्कर्स फॉर हेल्प विद टास्क्स और ट्राई डेलीगेटिंग सम ऑफ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टू अदर्स. घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज या केयर गिविंग से अगर दिक्कत हो रही है तो या तो आप प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लीजिए, और अगर ये अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते आप तो मदद मांगिए घर वालों या दोस्तों से. टेक अ ब्रेक. टेकिंग अ टाइम टू रेस्ट एंड रिचार्ज कैन गो अ लॉन्ग वे टुवर्ड्स ईजिंग फीलिंग्स ऑफ मेंटल एग्जॉस्शन. ब्रेक का मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी क्लियरिंग योर शेड्यूल ऑफ non-essential tasks for a few days, taking a vacation, or booking an hour of time for yourself every day, leaving your office during lunch and taking a full hour for a leisurely walk, meal, or any non-work activity. Relaxation techniques like yoga, massage, aromatherapy also help. Try to get more sleep. Quality sleep doesn't just promote good physical health. It's essential for your mental and emotional well-being too. Aim to get a recommended 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and follow a regular routine at night. In fact, keep a regular bedtime. Take a hot bath about an hour before bedtime and dim or turn off unnecessary lighting as you are getting ready for bed. Ideally, you should stop using your devices, चाहे वो phones, tablets, कुछ भी हो, at least an hour before sleeping too. Check in with basic needs. Sometimes, rest can prove elusive no matter how exhausted you feel. If you're finding it difficult to recover from prolonged mental or physical fatigue, a good next step may be about exploring whether you're meeting other important needs like nutrition, social life, or even reaching for help when you need it. Reconsider your working conditions. If your job consistently demands more time and mental energy that you can realistically put in, it may not be a sustainable long-term career option. अगर career change करना possible नहीं है, तो maybe set boundaries around working hours so that you can rest and relax each day. Or ask your supervisor about potential workplace changes that could ease some of the burden. आज के ज़माने में hustle culture को बहुत importance दिया जाता है. You have to be constantly moving and achieving things and ticking boxes. Stress is taken as a badge of honor. Nothing is more detrimental to you than stress and mental exhaustion. So prioritize the quality of your mental health. Mind over matter का अगर ये एपिसोड आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे फॉलो करें. थैंक यू.